Now we'll try and understand what is a farm system. You've already understood that the art of growing crops on the soil is called as agriculture. Now what is this farm system? As far as a farm is concerned, it has three things which are very essential, and they are, first of all, the inputs. That is, what will you put into it? And those are the seeds, fertilizers, and also the manure. All these things which you will put first of all in the farm are termed as the inputs. Then we have the operations. After the input, we start with the work, and that involves plowing, sowing, harvesting, and so on. Then we have the output. Finally, what comes out of it, and that could be the crops, the dairy products, the poultry farms. So all these come out of the farms. So we have understood that a complete farm system involves three things. First of all, the input, that is what you are putting into it, operation, what you are carrying it, and then the output, what comes out of it. That is a complete farm system. Now, when I talk of agriculture, we can divide it into two kinds, and that is the subsistence agriculture and the commercial agriculture. Let us first of all take the subsistence agriculture. Subsistence agriculture is that agriculture which helps a farmer to sustain himself. Usually the plot of land is small and the family members themselves engage as laborers, and the output is consumed by themselves is termed as subsistence agriculture. But subsistence agriculture is further divided into intensive subsistence agriculture and primitive subsistence agriculture. Now let me talk about the intensive subsistence agriculture. In the intensive subsistence agriculture, usually the plot of the land is small and the farmer uses very simple tools, but the number of people employed, that is the laborers, are too many. Now rice is the major crop which is grown in intensive subsistence kind of agriculture. Of course, good climate, good sunshine and fertile soil help the farmers to grow sometimes two or more than two crops. In Asia, this type of intensive subsistence agriculture is very popular, and especially in South Asia, Southeast Asia and East Asia, this is practiced intensively. Other crops beside rice are the wheat, maize, pulses and the oil seeds. So that was about the intensive subsistence agriculture. Again, I am reminding you, agriculture is divided into subsistence and commercial, and then further subsistence into intensive and the primitive. I have already told you about the intensive, and now I shall be talking about the primitive subsistence agriculture.